My name is Nusrat. I am a university teacher in USA. I teach economics cost analysis course which involves calculations with interest. Am I allowed to teach such a course? Sister Nusrat is a teacher in USA and she teaches economics in which there is a course of cost analysis in which she has to teach about interest. So is it allowed for her to teach about interest? Teaching about interest per se is no problem as long as you do not promote it. While teaching economics, a course on cost analysis, when you talk about how to calculate the interest, at the same time if you say that interest is haram and talk about the negative points about interest, you can hear my talk on interest-free economy. There I've proved the ill effects of interest, etc. So what you do is that if you're a teacher and if there's a subject on interest, while teaching about how to calculate interest, if you make it a point mentioning it's haram, that it is a major sin in Islam, and there are no less than 8 places where Allah mentions about interest, about riba, and say it's haram. And Allah says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 279 and verse number 278 and 279, that if you give up not your demands of riba, Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. So if you say all these things, that's haram and the ill effects of interest, no problem. And you can promote Islamic banking, that you can go to an Islamic bank and if you take a loan on the Sharia principles, on Musharika or Murhaba or Cost Plus, then it's perfect. So while teaching, you promote the Islamic economics, promote the Sharia way of how to give finance, then there's no problem at all.